Hello everyone. Today let's see how to make Batata Vada, a tasty and quick tea time snack recipe. I'm using 5 medium-sized potatoes. These are good to make 16 small Batata Vadas. To speed up the cooking process, I'm adding about a cup of water and pressure cooking it for 3 to 4 whistles. Let the pressure drop naturally while we continue with the next steps. To make the batter, use about 1 and 1/4 cup of besan and add about a tablespoon of rice flour. This is a purely optional thing. Optionally add a teaspoon of jeera for better digestion. For that little extra flavor, we are also going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon each of red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. And yes, do not forget the pinch of hing. Add water in batches and make a thick batter. Ensure that there are no lumps, so stir properly. Look, this should be the consistency of the batter. The batter gets better with time, so we are going to let it rest for a few minutes until we get the potatoes ready. Peel the potatoes and depending on your preference, either mash them completely or cut them into smaller size pieces. I prefer a little chunkier texture and hence I've cut them into small pieces. For the tadka, heat some oil and add a pinch of hing. Add a teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds. Cover with the lid and let it splutter. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. The garlic may be omitted if desired, and also add 10 curry leaves. Add green chilies based on your spice tolerance level. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and give it a good stir. We are not cooking the mixture completely, but just a little bit to get the flavors enhanced. Now let's add the prepared tadka over the potatoes and also add some salt. Oh yes, we definitely need the dhania for flavor. Mix to coat all the potatoes with the goodness of all the spices. I've got about 16 small balls of this potato mixture. After some resting time, our batter is now all set. Coat each of the potato balls with the batter. It is now ready for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, add the vadas. After about 2 minutes, turn sides. Each batch is going to take about 5 to 6 minutes until the vadas are ready. You'll know that the vadas are ready when the batter is hard on all the sides. The potatoes are already cooked here, so it's just a matter of cooking the batter. Drain the excess oil and place the vada on a paper towel. Fry the remaining vadas in batches. There is nothing like a hot batata vada with some desi chai. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.